it's Nikki Lindum, and I have been having tooth problems since actually my baby teeth came in. I've had very bad teeth. The tooth itself has been weak, but the root's been strong, and it's kind of crazy. But I went through every imaginable thing you can think of. I have a chronic back problem. I take a lot of medications, so within the last 5 years, I've lost every tooth in my mouth. And I've had 2 plates on top, 2 plates on the bottom. Finally got a top one to work, but a bottom one I couldn't. And I was just really struggling with what I was going to do, and I happened to hear about Dr. Joseph, and I came in and I saw the man. And I felt very comfortable the first time I was in here, but he did a wonderful job on my mouth. I can finally, after years, I can eat corn on the cob. I can eat popcorn again. I mean, I can bite into an apple. I mean, there's so many things that you can eat that you couldn't eat before, and it sounds real funny to other people, but it's not. It's a serious problem. And my advice is, go for it. You are not going to, if you have the right person doing it, you're going to love it. And money is not the object at all. So, I mean, it's a wonderful thing to do, and you have your life back, and you can do the simple things that you want to do. So, I can't say how good it is. I mean, your whole life changes on something as little as what you can eat.